This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay videos on Twitch. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on Twitch. To enable or disable autoplay for videos on Twitch, the first thing you want to do is get into the settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go up to the little gear wheel in the upper left hand corner. I'm going to tap on the gear wheel. Then right down here where it says Preferences, you want to tap on Preferences. And then right down here, Autoplay for videos. As you can see, mine is on. By default, yours is probably on. Down below that, it says choose when video will automatically play as you scroll. I'm going to tap on Autoplay Videos. Gives you 3 different choices: on Wi-Fi and mobile data. The next one down is on Wi-Fi only. And the next one down is never autoplay videos. Those are the options that it gives you. That is how to enable or disable autoplay videos on Twitch. Thanks for watching.